Welcome to the Windows channel, and this is a little update video that I wanted to do on something that is, I think, confusing a lot of people, and it's the famous S mode in Windows 10. So, for those that know about Windows 10s, well, Windows 10s as a version of Windows is dead. It's not going to be an official version of Windows. Instead, S mode is something that's going to be part of Windows. Now, a lot of people are under the impression, well, Microsoft wants to tie us down, and that S mode is going to be activated and we won't be able to do anything else. And no, okay? Just understand one thing. There's something called S mode. Yes, S mode is to restrict the usage of the Windows 10 operating system to apps from the store, prevent the install of third-party programs that you would normally download and click the setup. And it is going to be a mode available within Windows, every version of Windows 10. There are a lot of people under the impression, oh, well, I want to upgrade because I don't want to have, I don't want to be stuck. Well, you won't be stuck. Your version of Windows is going to stay the same version of Windows. In the Spring Creators Update, what you have now and what you're doing is going to be the same, with added bonus of new features. But there will be an S mode available. We're not really sure if S mode is officially going to be in the first version of the Spring of Redstone 4 Spring Creators Update. It's not totally clear it's there or not. But what is clear is that it's a mode that you'll be able to switch from back and forth totally free. There's a lot of people say, well, no, it's $49. It's not. No, that was the old way of doing it. When Windows 10 S was available, it cost $49 to upgrade to Windows 10 Pro. In S mode, it's free. You're going from one to the other. As for the Enterprise version, some people say, oh, it's going to be paid. I don't care. The Enterprise always pay more for everything. The version of Windows, the license key, the license, the volume licensing and everything, the way it's done, Enterprise have always paid more. And that's the way it works. A lot of people that say, well, I don't want to have, I want to have Enterprise because I want to defer updates. I want to, if you want to have that, it's your problem, because it's not a version for users at home. And live with the fact that you might have to pay for stuff because it's Enterprise version and that's it. For the rest, Pro version, Home version, Windows 10 S mode is something that you can switch on or off that at some point. And it's a good thing because a lot of people say, oh, well, it's the way Microsoft is going to kind of, have us, really use the store and it's not good. No, that's not at all the way that things are working. And that's not how and what direction Microsoft is heading right now. Especially since the Universal Windows Platform apps in the store are kind of close to being dead. It's something that didn't work out. And basically what really the focus is on Microsoft's side is progressive web apps. We have everything to win with those because it's an open standard. Everybody will be in the same standard, meaning progressive web apps work across the board. Even Google is working on that. Even Apple. Everybody is agreeing on that part of the progressive web apps stuff. So basically, Windows 10 S mode is a mode you'll be able to switch on or off for free. And no, you're not going to be in S mode when you upgrade to Spring Creators Update. A lot of people have been saying, yeah, we're going to be stuck in S mode. No, you're not. Okay? You're going to be with the regular Windows 10. But naming of the Windows 10 version is going to change with time because we're going to have fewer, and thank God, fewer versions of Windows 10. And that's a good thing. So that's pretty much the update I've got here for that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.